first, we need to know the definition of each of the lane centerline category. So through, shoulder, middle turn, slip turn, left turn, right turn, left through, left, right turn, and back lane. That's all we need to know. And you can find the definition and example of each of this lane centerline category in this document. All right. So just look for this the example and understand the definition of each one of them. Okay, so it's pretty easy. We have many examples for different cases. So left turn, right turn is pretty straightforward. And then in the task, all right, in the task, what we need to know, what we need to do. All right, so basically, when we get a task, we generate the final result. And the width of this task, the width of this each lane is basically correct. As you can see, they are all generated by the system, correct. So we don't need to do many. We don't need to adjust the width of the existing lane. All right. So what we need to do is we need to connect. All right. For example, when the lane numbers changed, all right, when the lane numbers changed, we need to connect, except for the shoulder. So for example, here, right, this lane number changed, and then we need to connect it. So use the repair tool to connect like this. And if this is broken down, then we connect it like this. All right, so for example, this back lane, right? We don't want to draw, because if you draw it, there will be no width. It will be very ugly. So we just want to use the repair tool and extend this lane like this. All right, and if there's a missing, for example, this one, if there's a missing back lane, then we need to capture that. All right, and measure the width for this. It's 1.6. And for this shoulder, right, this is the shoulder. Change the classification to correct, and then that's good. All right, and then look for if there's so if this is shoulder and the back lane and the lane number change, we don't need to connect it. We only connect the lane that changed for the cars to drive. All right, for the car to drive, and this one here, this is back lane. Right, and this one, we can extend this to here. And this one here, right? Because this is the back lane, this is the shoulder, and this is a through lane, then we don't need to connect. But if it goes to a left-right turn, then we need to connect. We need to connect them. All right. So let's check the rest of it. On the intersection, this is turned off. Then that's good. Okay, and then it's done. This task is done, and we do topology check. There's one error, as you can see. All right, so this is not being done correctly. So we merge them. So, and then we do topology check again. It's gone, and now this is all right. This is good. All right. So this one is connected, and we don't need to connect for the back. We don't need to connect the back lane and the shoulder change. All right, we only connect the through to left turn, right turn, and to the other, like the middle turn, slip turn, left through, right through. All right, that's it. Left, right turn. That's it. Okay, so we can submit this one. So this task, is a residential area, right? That's pretty easy. And let's take a look at this. So here we can see, right? This is a left turn. This is also a left turn, right? So, and this is a through. This two left turn comes from this through lane, right? This lane number changed. So in this case, guys, I want to connect this to the through lane. All right. So in this case, we can do like this. All right. So this is left turn, and then we connect this to here, and then we measure the width for these three. So we can just measure it here. So which is around 4.8, right? So press X, select them, input 4.8, and rest of it, it's all good. Then we can save, generate final result, take a look, right? This is all good. And then we can do the topology check. Oh, I thought I put a white for it. All right, let me see this one. 4.8. All right, let's try again. Okay, so this is all good. Let's turn on the topology check. Now everything fixed. So super easy, but important, we have to connect. All right, we need to connect the LAN number changed in this case. All right, so then we can submit. Right, this is intersection. And here, it's not connected, right? So we majorly to do is connect. This is all through LAN, right? This is all through LAN. Nothing need to be done. And this is a intersect. This is a long driveway. I will put the road mask on it. All right, I will put road mask on it, and then as you can see here, all right. This is a left turn. So if you don't see a left turn in your task, if you don't see the road marking of the left turn in your task, then you should change this to through. All right, then this task is good. Then do a topology check. No arrow, and then submit. All right, so this is very, very easy, and no lack of the software, and no complicated situation. All right, and then this task, right? So this case, in this here, we can see, right? There is no left turn lane, then we can put through here. And this one in the middle, because there is no marking on the road, so we can ignore that. And this one is not a shoulder, so let's delete that. So this has, has missed one here, right? It has a missed one here. So we want to just draw this, all right? Draw in the middle and merge them. And then this is, before I merge, I need to copy this 3.59, and then merge it. So this is a through lane. All right, this is a through lane. And at here, it comes a left turn. So in this case, let's draw a left turn because it has missed here. So let's draw it to here. And the width of this should be the same as this one, right? So 3.18. Let's do the same thing, 3.18. All right, and at here, I think because there's no marking on the road.
That's a middle turn, sir.
Yeah, that should be middle turn, okay? But there's no marking. But let's try to draw the middle turn there. All right. And use the arc tool, right? And we can copy this width to this one, 3.38. That's good. All right, that's that's all you need to do. And this is a backland, and it's missed by the system. So let's draw this backland at here, just at here. Then measure the width. I think it's around 2. Right, let's put 2 here. And this one, this is a through. Right, this is a through, and this through needs to be goes to here. So use the repair tool to fix that. All right, and this is also a through. So fix the classification. This is a left turn. That's good. Fix the classification and connect the disconnected line. All right, connect the disconnected line. like this. Either way is fine. So it's not a hard, we don't have a hard requirement of how to, how to connect each one of them. Just, follow, just make sure it's making sense. And that's all good. Right, so this is a right turn lane, that's all good. Let's check this one. So this is this is a left turn, right? So do this and use the arc tool. Make sure you draw it beautifully, otherwise the topology error could give you a big trouble. And we can merge this. Why cannot merge to the left turn then? Anyway, I'll change this to left turn and copy the white and paste it to here. So as you can see, they have the same white now. And you see, it's very important to connect like this, all right? To connect like this. And for this short one, make sure we extend it to the same level as other level. And this one is a through. This is a through. The real backlane is at here, right? So we want to capture this. The backlane is from here, actually. So we can draw it all the way to here. This is broken down here, so delete that. And at here, we have a shoulder. So we can draw this shoulder at here. Shoulder, okay. And this is good because, as I have said, backlane and the shoulder. Then for the through lane, we don't need to connect the through lane, right? And this one is a through. And this one is a left turn, right? So it's a left turn. We want to change this to left turn, and we use the repair tool to connect to this through. The repair tool is not working very well. Then I'll use the repair tool, draw it here, and then draw another one. I'll copy the white and paste it to here. So we have the same white now. And check it upper road. This is a backlane. Okay, that's good. And the shoulder and the backlane, that's okay. This is the backlane, that's good. Backlane and shoulder. So this one is a through. Same error, right? It seems like system would make a mistake at here. So we want to just merge this, change everything to left turn, and then remember we want to connect it to the through like this, all right? And it's not snapped. And copy the whites to this one. Then it's all good. So basically, we just follow what we see on the road. On the residential area, it's pretty straightforward, and this is all good. For the urban area like this, it's a little bit complicated. And in this example, we need to check each lane carefully, know what is each lane, all right? For example, this one here, this is a slip turn, right? I totally missed that. So we use snap to the through, and we measure the white for it around like 4.06, 4.06. All right, so now let's do the topology check. This one needs to be edited a little bit. So road white missing for this shoulder. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see. The white for it is like 2.01 and strictly smooth. Let's see if this can fix it. Okay, so this is a stupid error. Use the repair tool. We can fix this. Let's check again. And one more thing to notice, to remind you guys, is we don't need to connect the LAN center line under the bridge. All right, we only focus on what we can see. We don't guess what is under there. So make sure we understand that. All right, so it's very important. So let's delete that. And I think it's all good now. Okay, so now it's all good. So that is the workflow. All right. So check the classification. Check under the road what is the proper classification for the LAN, and make sure they are connected when the LAN numbers changed. And connect the broken ones and connect the and capture the missing ones. All right. So that is all we want. That is all we need to do. That is all we need to do. It's very straightforward and pretty easy, and no mixed hot editing. And yeah, that's everything from me actually. We can do one more task. I will record this one because this topology arrow is taking too long. I will try to fix the software as many as I can so everyone can have a better working experience. Okay, one more urban task. Let's take a look. So start from this corner. This is the intersection, right? So we don't need to connect. I will put the road and intersection mask on it. So for this, under the shadow, under the tree, we just connect them. All right, we don't need to take a guess or whatsoever. And for here, remember, all we need to do is we connect. All right, connect. And this should be your left turn. All right, and this one, connect them. So basically, what we're doing is connection. All right, connect. This one, left turn. Yeah, so at here, right, the LAN has stopped for this intersection. And so we don't need to connect them. But this one here, we can just drag to connect them. All right, and this is the left turn then. Left turn. So copy the Y's. That's it. And for this one, I want to connect. And this is also a left turn. Right? So left turn. Copy and paste the Y. So left turn, this should be a left turn lane, right? And there is a missing through. Copy the wife, then we change the category. And then we can also copy the wives to this one because they are the same wife. We don't need to do anything. And the same thing for this through, it's also missed here. And we can, I think it's better we copy this one. Yeah, let's copy this one to here. And for this left turn, we also want to copy this Y to this Y. And yeah, let's continue checking. So this is the median. It's not a left turn. And we can Okay, just leave it like that. And this is a through. This is a left turn. And connect them. And copy the Y to here. And this is also a through. And this is a left turn, right? So we want to make sure the neighbor capture it properly. So we want to connect to here and leave the rest of it to the neighbor, right? And this wife, I will copy from this one to here. Okay, so then for the residential area, let's fix the most difficult part, which is here. So as we can see, this should be cut, and this should be a through. And we need to connect this through to here, like this. All right, and copy the Y's, don't forget about that. And this is intersection. And for here, all right, this is broken down. So we want to connect this as well. For this small piece, let's delete that. And most the residential area is pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, so that's everything. That's everything we need to do for this task. Lastly, do the topology check. All right, strictly smooth. Okay, let's delete, use the repair tool. Delete that. About here, okay, same thing. Okay, use the repair tool. Okay, everything's fixed. Very easy, right? So just be careful when there are many lanes, check it one by one. All right, check it one by one. Make sure the category, the classification is correct. Make sure they are connected as it's supposed to be. And yeah, and that's everything we want to do for this project. All right, so everyone, let's work on this. Let's work this on the checker side, and the judges, we will do this for the person review. Okay, let's try to finish today, and we can, enjoy your rest tomorrow. Okay, that's everything. Please let me know if you have any question. I'm happy to fix that. I'm happy to answer all your questions. Oh yes, you capture the backland near the skip term. Let me see. Okay, I'll share my screen. So for this one, we don't need to do that. All right, we don't need to do that. This is okay. This is okay. Sleep term. All right, this is a sleep term. All right, guys, this is a sleep term. We have the sleep term here. All right, this is a sleep term. This is a sleep term. All right, this is the example of sleep term. You can refer to the document. Okay, so that's everything from me. Let me know if you have any questions before I leave. It's a very, very easy project. Okay, so good question. If there's a bridge, let me find out the Google map. Let's see. New York. Let's see. So if there's a bridge, guys, if there's a bridge, we only focus on the bridge. All right, we'll only fix the line on the bridge. What is under the bridge, we don't care. We only fix what we can see. We only fix what we can see. What we cannot see, like this, we can ignore. All right, we only just connect this lane center line above the bridge, on the bridge, and under the bridge, we can ignore. Shortcut for copying the Y's. Select the lane center line you want to copy. use Control C, and then select the lane center line you want to paste. And Control V. All right, it's same as the Word document. All right. Any other question? If it's all good, then let's go. All right, goodbye, guys. Have a good weekend.
Guys, wag na muna kayo malis. So, meron doon nakalimutan si Sir Paul sabihin sa inyo, yung Control S, Control G, para makita nyo yung totoong width niya. Check natin dito. So, later, guys, may lalabas dito na mask na kulay orange. So, kung ano yung nakikita nyong may orange lang na mask, yun lang ang lalagyan nating mga lanes. Okay? Pero pag wala nang mask doon, parang long driveway na siguro yun. Huwag yung nang lalagyan, ha? So, kunwari, pag natapos mo itong lahat na to, yan, may kailangan kang pindutin na Control S or Control G. Okay? Para makita mo yung final result ng width mo, yung sukat ng road. Yan. So, ito siya, ha? So, it means itong mga to, ayan, hindi pa kasi yan naayos, so kailangan natin yung ayusin. Naintindihan, guys? Labelers? Yan. Tapos, para sa lahat ng intersection, kasi meron yan mamaya, di ba? Orange nga. So, meron din yung mask dyan na for intersection. So, kailangan nyo i-snap itong lines natin dun sa intersection. Dun lang ha, hindi nyo kailangan pagduktungin. Naintindihan, guys? Labelers? Kunwari, di ba? Okay, example ulit. Kunwari, bitin. Pero yung intersection niya is orange mask din yun. Ganyan. So, kailangan nyo iusog para mag-snap yung label natin dun. So, same lang naman sa kahapon natin. Tapos lahat ng intersection, kailangan walang laman yung gitna. Pero na lang kung yung mga road lanes ay nagtuloy-tuloy or may mga pintura pa rin. Yan. Kailangan nyo i-connect. Pero pag wala nang pintura dun sa gitna na yon, sa intersection na yon, so putulin nyo lang din. Yan. Cut nyo lang din. Basta lahat ng lines nyo is mag-snap dun sa intersection. Ha? So, yun lang naman.
Nakalimutan ko na yung question about sa shared bike lane nung nakaraan na project. Kasi merong bike lane na, what tawag dito? Na marking sa road nung nakaraan, pero meron din siyang nakaparking na sasakyan. So, ba i-capture natin? True ba yun or bike lane? Sa dalawa. Kasi walang yun eh. Walang linya yun, di ba? Walang road marking doon. I mean, road lines. Ganun. Yun kanina ata itatanong ka. So, yung boses ko rin nakakagising ko.
Yung tinanong, yung task nyo last time, parang iba naman natin.
Hindi, I mean, sample lang yun. Kasi di ba, like dito, about sa bike lane, di ba? Merong bike lane na daanan, yung bike lane na, ano yun? Category ba yun? Oo, di ba? So, paano na lang sa true yun, di ba? I mean, sa shared line na may bike lane na logo, tas walang separation.
Tignan na lang natin mamaya kung ano yung
sige.
natin.
Kung ano yung mas okay na category.
Pero, as long na may logo naman na bike lane, i-bike lane yun na lang. Pero kung wala, siguro, tignan muna natin mamaya. Yan.
Tanong natin sa kanya para sure na lang.
Para saan ang Control S, Control G? Ito guys, para lumabas yung yung final result. Yan. So may mga hindi pa kasi ako naayos dito. Testing ko lang naman. Kaya wasak-wasak pa. Yung mga wasak na yan, makikita nyo, miss, yan. Kailangan yan ayusin. Ha? Yan. Itong mga to, okay naman na yan. Sadyang kailangan lang itong i-move dito sa intersection. Basta may orange mask dyan lalabas mamaya. Ayan. Once natapos mo na siya, Control S. Ayan. Dito kasi wala pa yung final result. So, Control S, Control G. Ayan. So makikita mo yung totoong width niya. So ito guys, pinaka-importante sa lahat.
Sir,
Kapag maliit yung, wait lang, kapag maliit yung width mo, ibig sabihin, mali yung nakopyahan mong width. So paano mag-copy ng width? Ayan. Yung tama ito, ha? Control C, Control V. So Control S, Control G. Again, yan, sa last, so pantay na siya. So kunwari naman, kapag wala pa yung width na yon, pag wala pa yung sukat, ang gagawin nyo naman, Q instead na X. Ang X ginagamit is for your neighbor para makopya mo yung width niya. Pero dito, instead na nagta-type ka, ganito, so magka-Q ka na lang. Kung miss lang yun, ha? Yan, ganyan na. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-type pa kung ilan yung nakita mo. Yan. Yan na. Pantay na siya ulit. Di ba? So, kunwari lang yun kapag may missing. Nagets, guys? Ang X, ha, again, ginagamit lang yun sa neighbor nyo. Kunwari dito, may point something. Yan. So, kung gawin mo, X, tsaka mo kopyahin yung width ng neighbor mo. Makikita mo naman yun eh. May mga numbers yan dyan. Kasi nagkakaroon din yun ng topology error sa uli. So, sino yung may question, guys? Nasa kalagitnaan na po ako naka-attend meeting dahil may importante. Pwede po demo ulit paano gamitin ng line. Anong ulitin ko? Ayan, kunwari, pag pull yun ng task, ganito siya, wasak. May mga missing. Okay? So, kapag may missing, ayan, gagawin natin, mga true yan, ha? Kapag walang pintura, one lane lang yun, guys. Pero dahil may median dito, so kailangan natin siyang iwasan. Ayan. Ito din. Median painted or mapa-erase man yan. Ito kailangan niya ito ayusin. Kasi sira yan eh. Cut ko na lang. So dahil may miss tayo dito na kuha, kasi later, again, may mas dito, kulay orange. So yung final result mo, itong maroon, kailangan hindi magsobra doon sa orange na yon, pero okay lang kahit magsobra ng konti lang. Okay? Pero try your best pa rin para makapture nyo ng buo. So ito, wala pa tong width. Ayan, 0 pa siya. Ayan, 0. So paano magkaroon yan? Press Q. Select nyo muna yung label and then press Q. So ito yung mouse ko is naging plus sign. Ayan. So yung mas nga dito, mamaya, ganun lang. Mas to mas ka lang. So magkakaroon na siya ng width. Para makita mo ulit yung width. Control S and then Control G. Ayan. So ganun siya. Diba? Tapos dito, wala pa tong width. Ayan. Kasi guys, kung wala kayong width, sukat na ganyan, hindi nyo masasubmit yung task nyo. Ha? Ito naman, paano nyo kunin? Ayan. Kasi again, later, merong mas. Ayan. So para makuha mo yan, isa-isa ka, magkokopya, ang gagawa ng width. Ayan. Ito, select, press Q, drag, tapos, ito, select, press Q, then drag. Ayan, wala pang maroon. So, para lumabas ulit yung maroon, Control S and then Control G. Ayan. Ayaw. Oh. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Okay na yan. Ha? So, kasi lahat ng mga nag-change yung lane, kailangan na siyang i-connect pa ganyan. Kasi mga yan, wasak pa yan. Kailangan natin yan ayusin. Oh, yung width naman yan, sabi doon, no need sa documents, no need naman na i-cut-cut pa yan. Ay, sa mga documents. Check natin. Kahit isang diretso na lang yan, ha? Isang diretsong, yan lang. Yan. So, no need yun na yan, i-cut-cut. Ayan yun na yan. Nabasa ko yun kanina eh. Sa mga may median. Hindi naman na ito bago sa atin, guys, ha? Saan na yun? Copy natin. Ayan. Ito. Ayan, sabi niya, and there is no need to additionally measure the width of the arc. Diba? So, kahit ganyan lang, all goods na yun. Ha? So, hindi na kayo mahihirapan mag-cut ng isa-isa. Check natin yung mga may question. Pag nag-blue, sir, may width na yun. Oo, ha? May width na yun. Pero halos lahat naman nagbo-blue yan. Kahit walang width. Basta final result. Sir, question, ano po yung slip turn po is may race at vegetation region? Yung mga ano yun, yung di ba, yung pabilog. Sa circle, sa roundabout. Hindi to slip turn. Never mind, ganito na lang. Kunwari, may roundabout dito. Nasa yung road. Wala kasi puro residential yung nakukuha ko eh. Nasa yan yung road. Ha? Tapos roundabout. Or kahit walang roundabout. Tapos may median dito. May painted man. Or kaya may race man. Yan. So tapos ang gagawin nyo sa may pabilog na area lang is gagawin nyo siyang slip turn. Ganyan lang siya. Okay? Gets na guys? Kung ano man yung nandito nyo is shoulder man, connect nyo lang. Kaya lang. Tapos yung slip turn nyo, iusog nyo lang doon. Yan, kunwari, shoulder or through. So, i-connect nyo lang din. Gaya ng ginawa niya kanina. Connect nyo lang din pa ganyan. Nagets guys? Kung may bike lane man, din ganun din, connect nyo lang din. Ito kasi, hindi niya naintindihan to. Pero may miss dito guys na bike lane. Ito. Ayan, slip turn, di ba? Dahil may ano pa dito, may bike lane siya na miss, dapat ganyan pa yan. Okay? Ayan. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cut or mag-skip ng mga ibang ganyan, ibang lanes. Okay? Hindi naman pwedeng ganito, guys. Kasi kailangan natin siyang i-connect. Pwedeng ganyan lang or pwedeng pa ganito. Okay? Kahit saan pwede.
Doon nga sir sa ano, excuse me. Sa
Saan?
connection na yun, doon sa mga connection, mga ibang labeler ko hindi man na-gets.
Anong connection ba?
Yung katulad din sir, kung saan siya pwedeng i-connect, katulad ng kanina sa bike lane. So, kahit saan, pwede mo siya i-connect.
Yung kanina, wait lang, balik tayo doon, wait. So kahit hindi yan bike lane or bike lane man yan, kunwari, hindi lang siya bike lane or middle turn, kailangan guys, nakakonect siyang paganto. Ha? Ayan. Okay? Kung saan nagbago yung road lane. Okay guys, naintindihan? Kasi dito may slip turn. So pwede rin naman sigurong paganyan or kaya paganyan. Pili ka lang kahit saan dyan. Importante is connected. Okay guys, naintindihan?
Sir, excuse po. I think may mga bagong sali. Could you please parang i-explain niyo pa further kung paano i-interpret yung map? For example, yung task na yan, ano yung maroon tsaka ano yung blue?
Bakit kasi kayo late, guys?
Train ka na lang ulit.
Madami pong late eh.
Oo. Hindi, kasi
Yung
may
iba, sir,
ano naman,
first time.
may recording naman
Yung
si
iba
Sir Paul
po,
about
first
sa kanina. May
Kasi
recording naman.
Dito na lang para medyo kasi madali lang to guys, mga residential lang to. So kapag walang paint, pag walang road paint, isang road lang lalagay nyo, ha? Naintindihan? Ayun yung mga residential, mostly isa lang. Pero pagdating dito, nagkaroon ng median, so bali ang mangyayari, ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Ganon. Naintindihan nyo, base? Ayan. So residential lang yan, madali lang yan. Mamaya dito tayo sa medyo mahirap. Maraming paint. Ayan. So dito, ito, kagaya na ito. Ayan. Mostly yung road, shared road, ano ba yan? Shoulder road, ayan, nasa gilid. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung may bike lane or wala kasi wala din naman tayo nakikita any, ayun, meron pala. Ayan. May logo ng bike lane dito. So which is, ito yung area na to is bike lane, hindi shoulder. Pero si AI, ginawa niya, naka-shoulder. So pag ganyan guys, connect nyo lang yan. Dahil hindi naman to totally intersection. Yan, parang virtual lang siya. So connect nyo, tapos change nyo yung kulay as bike lane. Yan, hindi shoulder. Ha? Eh yung road lane niya is ito. Ha? Itong nakikita nyo, yung natatanaw nyo, ano yan? Kuryente ata yan. Kable ng kuryente. So una, fix muna natin lahat ng lanes bago tayo mag-ayos ng width. Tapos dito naman is true. Mali yung kulay ni AI. Yan. Ginagamit ang true kapag wala kayong nakikitang any marking sign ng arrow. Yan. Or mapa-left man yan or mapa-right. Ginagamit ang true kapag straight lang ang road. Yan. Tapos dito naman, meron tayong nakikitang pa left turn. So ang gagamitin natin dito is left turn. Yan ha. Tapos dito naman, wala tayong nakikitang left turn. So palitan natin siya ng true. Okay? Yan. Tapos dito naman, meron tayong nakikitang left din. Kasi pag ganun yung kotse, kung nasan yung arrow niya. Yan. Ganyan yung gawin nyo guys. Yan. So lahat ng mga nag-road change, kailangan lang natin siyang i-connect sa true. Naintindihan ba guys? Dito muna tayo bago tayo pumunta sa width. Yan. Ito bike lane din to, pero okay, tama naman. Yan. So after mo malagay yung mga missing, kailangan mong kunin ang width. So itong missing natin, 0. Kasi tayong gumawa yan, kaya walang width yan. Paano kukunin ng width? Okay? Press mo yung Q, kasi mamaya may mask, sa ngayon wala pang mask, may lalabas dyan. Yan. May mga mask yan dito sa gilid. Ha? Straight lang yan. So press mo yung Q, kunin mo yung width, simula dito hanggang dito. Okay? Yan. Press Q, and press, select mo muna yung label, then press Q, tapos ganyan lang. Kaya lang kasimple. So meron na siya kapag sinelect mo, may 3 point something na. Nagigets guys? Same lang din dito. Kapag walang width, select and then press Q. Yan. So meron na siyang width, 2 point something. Yan. So kapag nakuha mo na yan lahat meron na siyang width. Okay? Bakit magkaiba yung kulay? Bike lane. Bike lane. So merge natin yan. So pag naayos mo na tong area na to, Control S and then Control G. Yan. Makikita mo, yung mga width mo is yan na. Yung maroon na yan, kumbaga yan yun na yung pinaka-margin or mass ng width mo. Kasi ito bike lane to. Diba? So yung mga maroon na yan is nagsakto dito sa may mga road paint. Okay? Sa mga pintura. Yan. So dapat ang mga lines natin ay hindi nyo papatungan ng parang ganyan, no? Okay? Hindi pwede ha. Kumbaga yung mga lines natin kailangan ipaiwas natin sa pintura. Sa gitna tayo ng pintura. Hindi kagaya kahapon na kinukulayan natin yung pintura, parang ganyan. So iba na ngayon. Okay guys, naintindihan? Newbies, yung mga bagong pasok, nakaintindi? Yan ha. So later again guys, meron ditong mass. Okay? Kapag may makita kayong mass ng intersection, kailangan nyo siyang i-connect. Ganun lang. Okay, for example, drawing na lang tayo kasi wala pa ngayon yung mass eh. Ayan. Ito yung mass ng intersection. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos yung label natin is nabitin. So kailangan nyo siyang i-connect. Okay? Connect nyo lang, iusog nyo lang kasi wala naman tayong mga assist line dito. Usog-usog lang. Nagets guys? Ha? Ang same lang din dito. Ayan. Ito, may mga parts na okay naman. Ayan. Huwag nyo na siyang gagalawin. Huwag nyo siyang iintindihin. Okay. Tapos dito, may nasira pa rin. Siyempre, ayusin natin yan. Ayan. Yan lang ha. Ayan. Tapos dito naman, okay, bike lanes, okay. Tapos meron ditong true. Ito, mali yung kulay. Kailangan true yan. Tapos connect mo yan. Tapos dito, merong left. Okay, missing left turn. Ayan. Siyempre, kailangan nakadikit dun sa true. Dito din, ito guys, pinagkaibahan ng middle turn sa left turn or right turn. Si left turn, makikita nyo, isa lang, or left or right turn, merong isang arrow. Okay? Pero minsan, meron ding dalawa yan. Isang paganyan, isang paganto. Ha? Yan. So, hindi naman pwede na dalawa yun. Diba? O kaya, minsan, wala naman. Kumbaga yung mga painted median, natatandaan niyo yung painted median kahapon, kagaya na ito. Yan yung gagawin nating middle turn. Nagets guys? Or minsan naka-close pa yan or parang paganyan siya. Yan, parang paganyan siya. Tapos yan. So lalagyan din natin yung middle turn doon. Tapos ko-connect lang natin. Ilalabas lang natin siya doon sa may pintura. Okay? Yan. Dahil isa lang naman nang nakikita natin dito, so hindi din siya median, kaya ginawa lang natin siyang left turn. Yan. So mga missing na yan, ito missing, wala pang width. Again, press Q. Okay, select, press Q. Tapos ganyan lang. Tapos dito din, select, then press Q. Ayan. So ganoon lang siya kadali guys. Ha? Hindi na kailangan na papatungan natin lahat ng pintura. Okay? Si middle, again guys, si middle turn or si left or right through, kailangan nakakonect sa true. Yan. Lahat ng nandito. Except ata yun sa bike lane, sabi niya, di ba? Hindi nyo kailangan daw yun i-connect yung bike lane. Huwag nyo gagantin si bike lane. No? Ito bike lane to, mali. Ano ba yan? Yan. O, tama, bike lane to. Kumbaga, nagbago kunwari si bike lane. Nag-road change. Or yung naging 1 or 2. Ganun. So, hindi nyo pwedeng pagantuin si bike lane. Bakit ganun? Ayan. Hindi nyo pwedeng paganyanin si bike lane, guys. Ganyan lang siya. Okay? Kapag nagbago lang yung bilang ng road or nag-road change. Nagets, guys? Ha? I think si bike lane dito ata kanina, parang hindi nyo na yan ata kailangan to i-connect. Naalala ko pala. Yan. Naalala ko, sorry. So, pag may ganyan si bike lane, may steep turn, tapos may true, ganyan lang siya. Hindi siya pwedeng pagantuin pala. Sorry guys, nag-gets na? Naalala ko yung sinabi niya kanina, hindi pwedeng i-connect si bike lane sa lahat ng mga nag-road change. Okay? So, any question? Kung naintindi na? So, after nyo ulit mag-ganon, ma-fix lahat ng lines dito, huwag kakalimutan, mag-Control S, Control G, para makita nyo yung width nyo kung tama ba. Ayan. Ito, kulang tayo dito. Op. Parang may sira nga si ngayon dito. Si repair tool. Ayan. Again, Control S, Control G. Ayan. Kapag meron kayong pumalpak na width, ibabalik yan ni reviewer sa inyo. Kunwari, nagkamali ka ng kopya. Mas malaki yung kinuha mo, parang ganyan. Ayan. So yung mga ganito guys, mali yan ha. Para mabalik mo yung tama, kopyahin mo yung isang dito, yung width mo. Ayan. Copy, Control V, and then, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. So parehas na sila ng number, 1.1 na. And pag nagawa mo na yun ulit, Control S to, and then Control G. And ito yun guys. Ha? Ito yun. Minsan nawawala, minsan, yan, uncheck nyo lang yan. Okay na, nakaintindi na lahat. Paano po yung arc road, sir, may median? Arc road. Yun nga yun, yung, may median. Okay? Kung yung arc road na yon is may median, ganito gawin nyo guys. Ay, mali. Mali yung na-share ko. Yung arc road na may median, parang ito yung road, di ba? Ayan. Ay, parang iba yun ah. Wait lang. Ayaw bumilog. Yan, ganyan na lang. Tapos may median dito. Okay? So yung, ano nyo, yung lanes nyo, ganyan nyo lang din. Tapos syempre, kailangan yung kunin, kahit ganyan lang. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-connect yun, ha? Natatandaan ko kasi yung last time na SP namin, pinaganyan niya lang. Tapos yung width niya, is paganto lang din. Yan. Kopyahin mo yung, start ka dito sa may median, kumuha, hanggang dito sa bus. Yan, paganyan lang siya. Tapos yung road natin dito, yung road width natin, ganyan lang din siya. Okay? Nagets na guys? Hindi nyo na kailangan yun, hindi nyo na yung kailangan pagantuin. No? Hindi nyo na yung kailangan pagantuin. Ha? Parang ganyan, ginawa nyo yung lollipop. Hindi na. Basta cut lang dun sa may area na yon, then okay na yon. Kasi mas lalong papangit yun eh. So may question guys?
Maya, just Ray. Turuan ko to, just Ray, mamaya.
Ano daw? Mga okay naman na. Paano kunin ang numbers? Anong numbers ba?
Wait, ata ako na bahala dyan eh. Mamaya tao ko yun.
Okay. Okay. So guys, question? Ano pala ito? Bakit may ganito na?
Tatapusin ba muna yung BOC median, sir, bago dyan?
Hindi, alam ko ano eh. I-post na.
Ipopost po yung BOC, unahin po natin itong project na to. Unahin natin yung center line. Okay, so kung may hawak po kayo ng BOC, pag wala na po yung tab, pwede na pa rin po yung mapasa. Tapusin nyo lang po yung mapa ninyo. Okay? And then, tapos nun, center line na yung mapupul ninyo.
Sige na guys, mamaya ulit pag meron ng mas para mas klaro.
Sige, sir. Salamat.
Luto ko na